Top 10 wandering facts about jaguar while jaguar are crossing river to catch crocodile. Fact number 1. Jaguars are excellent swimmers and are known to cross rivers to reach their prey. Their powerful legs and streamlined bodies allow them to navigate through water with ease. Fact number 2. Jaguars have incredibly strong jaws and are capable of exerting tremendous bite force. They can crush the skulls of their prey, including crocodiles, with their powerful bite. Fact number 3. Unlike many other big cats, jaguars are not afraid of water. In fact, they are known to actively seek out bodies of water and are excellent at hunting in aquatic environments. Fact number 4. Jaguars are solitary animals and the majority of their interactions with other jaguars occur during the mating season. However, when a jaguar manages to catch a crocodile, it is an extraordinary feat that is sure to draw attention. This is our main motto to describe this video. Fact number 5. The jaguar's spotted coat, known as rostes, helps them blend into their surroundings, providing them with effective camouflage, both on land and in the water. This camouflage is advantageous when approaching prey or stalking potential threats. Fact number 6. Jaguars have exceptionally strong neck muscles that aid in their hunting techniques. When a jaguar captures a crocodile, it will use its powerful jaws to grip the reptile's neck or skull, immobilizing it. Fact number 7. Crocodiles are formidable predators themselves, but they are not invincible. Jaguars have been observed hunting and overpowering crocodiles, taking advantage of their agility, speed, and ambush tactics to catch them off guard. Fact number 8. A jaguar's diet primarily consists of large mammals such as deer, tapirs, and peccaries. However, they are opportunistic hunters and will prey on a variety of animals in their habitat, including fish, turtles, and yes, crocodiles. Fact number 9. Jaguars have been known to employ a technique called the killing bite, in which they target the skull of their prey to deliver a quick and lethal blow. This technique is also utilized when capturing crocodiles, as the jaguar aims to disable the reptile as efficiently as possible. Fact number 10. The successful capture of a crocodile by a jaguar demonstrates the remarkable adaptability and strength of these elusive big cats. It serves as a testament to their status as apex predators in their habitats, capable of talking down formidable opponents in daring encounters. This is the very, very wondering, interesting, amazing fact about the topic of when a jaguar is catching crocodiles while